we're back again with our kitchen essentials. We are in our part 2 of our fifth, presentation. So this is kitchen essentials number 5, part 2. The first one was puto. The second one is, again, your leche flan. Okay, our leche flan, actually we have two procedures on how to do the caramelization of our sugar. This is dry caramelization of our sugar. So approximately this is 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so you have here now our halnera. Okay, all you have to do is to have direct heat. The other procedure is the wet procedure. All you have to do is to cook the sugar with water. Okay, and if you're going to heat this, just simply caramelize and melt the sugar. So this is dry caramelization. Okay. So hintayin lang po natin na ayan na po, nag-melt na po yung ating sugar. Once na nag-melt na po yung ating sugar, kita yung may brown-brown na po dyan, all you have to do is to tilt it para lang maluto yung ibang parts ng sugar hanggang mag-golden brown. Huwag niyo pong susunugin yung asukal. Okay, so this is dry caramelization. Pwede rin po na tubig kung gusto nyo, that is the wet. Okay, so, and this is the one that is commonly used, that is what you have under the leche flan. Kaya pagka naluto po yung leche flan natin, pinabaliktad po natin at yung part na may caramelization of the sugar, siya po yung lalabas. Okay, so you have to now hear your sugar. Okay, we have another one. Just simply do the same. Okay, so pag nag-caramelize na po yan, again, this is going to be steamed after. Okay, so habang medyo titigas po ito, mag-crack ng konti, i-mix na po natin yung ating mixture ng leche flan. Yung ating puto at saka yung leche flan, pwede pong isabay. Ang tawag po dyan ay puto flan. Okay, so below is your puto, on top is the leche flan. But this time, we are separating the puto and the leche flan. But actually, you can combine it. So later, makititikman ninyo, mayroong puto at saka may leche flan. That will be your option in other alternatives that you can do at home later. Okay. Ma'am, pwede ba natin haluan ng ube? Yes. Ma'am, pwede ba natin iba-ibang flavor like pandan? Yes. Okay. So, ito yung pwede nating gawin. Pwede rin tayong gumawa ng puto na meron siyang yema. Okay. So, actually, ang dami-daming options na pwede natin ginagawa. But again, this is kitchen essentials. So, yung basic lang muna ang tinuturo ko sa inyo. Okay. So, medyo okay na po ang ating puto. Let's just put it off a little. Okay. Kasi isusunod po natin ang ating leche flan. Okay. So, again, it is melting. Ayan na po. Nag-melt na po yung sides ng ating leche flan. Okay. So, okay, pag nag-caramelize na po yung sugar, ayan, golden brown na po siya, huwag niyo po susunugin. Okay, there you are. Okay. So, we go now to the mixture of our leche flan. Okay. So, after your habanero with your dry caramelization of your sugar, you have this now. We will now mix our ingredients. Our measurement actually is 1:1. Okay. Supposed to be 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, and you have 10 egg yolk. Okay. But this time, what I'm giving you is just half of the recipe. So I used actually this kind of milk, but you can use any evaporated milk. So 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Okay, here we are. That's 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. And then I have 1/2 cup of my condensed milk. Okay, I mix now my condensed milk. Here you are. Okay, and I place now the egg yolks. Mas masarap kung purely egg yolks. Pero, syempre, kung nagtitipid kayo at saka commercialize po yung inyong leche flan, you can actually place the egg whites together with your egg yolks. Okay? So, here you are. Nilalagay po natin yung egg yolk po natin. Okay? This is going to be chewy and going to be good. Okay, so it's just a mixture of your egg yolk, your evaporated milk, and your condensed milk. Of course, we will place a little of your vanilla to have a flavor. Pwede lagyan ng lemon, okay? But that is optional, okay? So I'm just placing that's only half teaspoon of your vanilla. All I have to do is just mix it together. Okay. This again is another steamed dessert. Okay. So here we have 2 haneras, one and the other one. Okay. So we have 2 desserts now, equally divided in our halnera, our leche flan. Okay, so here we are ready to cook in our steamer. Your steamer should already, should have been, nagbo-boil na po siya. Started to boil already a few minutes, and then we're going to place now our leche flan. We'll be back after 20 minutes. It's going to be done in 20 minutes. Exactly 20 minutes. Our leche flan will be okay. Thank you. Okay. So, we have our leche flan done after 20 minutes. Kinuha na po natin ito sa ating steamer. And it's a little bit hot. Okay. So, nakita nyo po yung quality ng ating leche flan. It's gonna be yummy. Okay. So, all I have to do is to just simply remove this from the pan. Of course, napalamig na po natin ng konti. Konti lang. Okay. And you're gonna flip it. All you have to do is place it in your plate. Okay. Just simply flip it. There you are. Ingat lang sa pag-flip. And this is our yummy leche flan. Okay. So this is going to be another dessert that you have. You can have it be plated later. You can slice it into, kung ilang strips yung gagawin ninyo for your plating. But basic is, you know how to simply prepare this. With the puto and our leche flan, you can combine this with your puto flan. Okay. So, we're gonna taste it. Wala po tayong plating dito, pero tingnan natin. This is purely egg yolk lang po itong ginamit natin. Sarap. Pwedeng ilagay po ito sa shake. Pwedeng ilagay ito sa ice cream. Okay? At pwede rin po ilagay ito sa kahit na anong dessert idagdag ninyo. Combine your turon, the puto, and your leche flan. It's going to be good. Okay.